Good music.
Larry Gaga.
Baby say your matter na matter oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and we're going to start with the dress right now.
It's not so I just stagger out, yo. Go down on the low, down on the low. Make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby no one has to know, baby no one has to know. Baby my body wo, baby my body wo. Go down on the low, down on the low. Make it do I'm on the low, make it do.
I think the color looks good on me. So I think the color looks good on me. It's giving me all, oh my god. I'm obsessed with the color. I'm obsessed with this, you know? So let's make it work. Let's make it pretty. Let's make it the best shit I've ever done on this channel. Let's get it.
Oh yeah. Say you love it, the sweet in my body.
So what I've done right now is I've cut the fabric into half, and there are two separate ones. There's that one and then there's this one, so this is gonna be for something else. This is all I'm gonna use for the entire dress. I'm going to measure out a 16 over here.
Make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby keep it on the low, make it keep it on the low. Baby my body wo, my body wo. Oh yeah, when I buy for two. Yeah, baby girl, I'm me and you. For a long time now you I choose. Oh, I beg you, choose me. Yeah. This kind of love is stupid.
And for the half, we're just going to cut it again into another half.
Say you love it, the sweet in my body. Yeah. It dey make me want to spend money. Yeah. Say you love it, the sweet in my body. Oh, yeah. It dey make me want to spend money. So go down on the low, down on the low. Make it down on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby, no one has to know, no one has to know. Baby, my body wo, go down on the low, down on the low. Make it down on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby, keep it on the low, keep it on the low. Baby, my body wo, oh yeah. Baby girl, say I want you in my life, ah, nah, nah. Cause I know, say you want me in your life, ah, nah, nah. Nothing I do, I go carry you past your side, ah, nah.
As for the back, it's just with that much out.
Yeah, need below my pussy, oh. Yeah, baby girl, I fit fight for your matter, oh. Yeah, I promise I no go to use you play my yo. Go down on the low, down on the low. Make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby, no one has to know, baby, no one has to know. Baby, my body wo, baby, my body wo. Go down on the low, down on the low. Make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby, keep it on the low, make it keep it on the low. Baby, my body wo.
I did cut something for the back, which was supposed to be like... Anyways, I was thinking of, since the edges are like that, then maybe placing it on top of each other, kind of like that.
Yeah, you find no beat the seat, man. Something like a #1 hit, man. Yeah. Oh. You're the type of girl I wanna keep. The pretty face, the pretty body got me this far.
So I've cut this into 2 equal parts, and I'm just going to pretty much repeat what I did for the top. 6 up here, and then 9.
When my baby comes around, she keeps them lies from me. I'm blowing up my phone, you see the irony. Yeah, down for it. And when she's dancing,
We're going to look for where I want the split to be at.
ain't really wrong with a woman that's hustling, putting the muscle in and worried about mumbling. And when she's standing all alone, she's thinking about
ta-da! We have a slit. So I'm going to kind of do what I did here. So now this is gonna be a two-piece instead of a dress. So yeah, I changed my mind. So like what I've done here on the waistband at the back, I just, you know, joined and sewed that on it and folded it. And I think since it's gonna go round, I'm going to hem it one more time so we don't have the fray edges out. So I'm just gonna fold it and then sew it down. I have did the waistband that I talked about, and I have locked both sides. So what's left is to fix the zipper. Yeah, I know this is insanely long. I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm gonna put the zipper on this end. I think that's the right side. I don't know if it matters what side it is. I'm just putting a zipper on the right side. So the zippers go in here, and I'm actually gonna burn the edge. I'm gonna burn it. I'm gonna show you how I burn it though. So yeah. So I'm going to take this and burn the edges.